Recently, a very generous member of CWS, Canadian Wet Shavers, gifted me this razor. This is a Fatip Piccolo. It's got a 3-inch handle, about 2.5 ounce weight, or 72 grams. So this will be my first time using it, so let's give this a go. What shaving enthusiasts and newbies, welcome to the rabbit hole with Cal Shaves. I recorded part of this video a few days ago, but I really wasn't happy with it, so I decided to redo it, so it may be late getting out. But recently, one of the members of CWS, Johnny, gifted me this beautiful Fatip, if I'm saying that right, Piccolo. So this will kind of be my second time using it. I really wasn't happy with the results of that video, so I'm not going to post it. I'm going to redo it. I've decided to modify it. A while ago, I bought this from a buddy of mine probably a couple years ago. This is also a Fatip. It's got the coloring's been come off it. But this, I believe, is the classic black original gentle. So, flat bar or closed comb. So we'll be doing that as a comparison. Now, I've got brand new wash guides in both of these blades. I'm also going to be using purely Skinful smooth operator. This is the stick form. I've only used this once before and I'm not really great with it, so it might be actually kind of entertaining to watch. But anyway, gonna probably do the first pass in real time, real speed, and then the second and third pass. We're just gonna put it probably in 6 times speed. You guys don't need to see that in real time. We're gonna crank up the rock. Oh, by the way, we've also got a special guest appearance in this video as well. So sometime, somewhere in this video, he's going to pop up, so stay tuned for that, and I really hope you enjoy watching that as well. So, we're going to get our face wet, we're going to apply this. We've got our Richard C. Otter, the Green Monster, Sea Monster, sitting in my skull, soaking. So, we're going to see how this is going to work out for us. So, again, commentary minimum, crank the metal, and let's get this going. Oh, by the way, guys, I'd like to show you, I was talking to Jared Francais recently, who I got my Thirsty Badger leather bowl from, and asked him where he gets his shirts made. So anyway, we did some talking, and I sent him my Cal Shaves logo, and he had me a couple t-shirts made up, so I'll just show you this. This is in the Army Green, and this is a double extra large, because I'm a double extra large guy. Anyway, let me know what you guys think. I think sometime in the future I might do a giveaway and include one of these shirts in the package if there's any interest in it. So anyway, tilt that back up. By the way, thank you, Jared. Friggin' awesome. Love this shirt. Wait, we're going to take this to our left side. Like I said, this is the Piccolo open comb, brand new Voskhod. This is now the black original closed comb on my right side. And this is the first time using this particular one. This one, very mild. Although it did take off a fair bit. That's a week's worth of growth as usual. Almost zero blade feel. The open comb, I'm getting the same results as I did when I used it a few days ago. I don't know why, I don't know if my angle's off or not, but no blade feel on my cheeks. More blade feel on the neck, but still fairly mild. And I can't tell if that blade alignment is true or not. It looks like it's not even on both sides, but it's not exactly. It's like, yeah, that's not even aligned properly. So I don't know. I don't know if it's just a bad one or if that's the way they're made or what. I don't know. But we're going to re-wet, and then we're going to do second and third pass in probably 6 times speed, crank up the metal, and then we'll come back and talk about it after.
Hello, Wet Shaving fam, and my name is Tim Tillock. I know I'm kind of hijacking Ken's video real quick. Don't tell him that I'm doing that. But I think you guys are going to like some content that I have on over at my page. Ken and I have been good friends for a while now, and he said, hey, you know what? Why not just go ahead and feature your page at some point on my YouTube channel? I was like, okay, well, if you're sure. So what I do over on my page is I look at different products out there in the community, whether that's antique stuff, so I may go to an antique shop and see what's going on over there, or I might actually purchase some new products from our craftsmen and artisans today. That's always growing. The community is ever changing, so you're always going to find new content there. And maybe we just discuss techniques, or we interview or discuss things with other wet shavers in the community. It's a fun time to be had by everybody, and I highly encourage you, if you haven't already, go ahead and pop on over and see what we're all about. But I also run a wet shaving podcast called The Worst Shaving Podcast Ever. I co-host that with a friend of mine, Yoast to Coast. You might have heard of him. And we talk about all sorts of things, whether that's content creation, general banter on wet shaving, our opinions on various products, and artisan and craftsman and news in the community, as well as planned potential interviews with some really good people in this community as well. So, and people like Ken. So I hope you guys are enjoying Ken's video. Thank you so much, Ken, for the opportunity to feature the page, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Shave on.
third pass against the grain. Yeah, so cheeks are fairly smooth. Neck, yeah, I could go over that a couple more times easily. Yeah, so very, very mild. Yeah, the flat bar, very mild, very smooth, no blade feel or almost none. I like the weight. I like the feel of the razor. It's got a nice solid weight. The open comb Piccolo, like I said, I'm not sure if that blade exposure is even on both sides or not. It doesn't quite look like it, but maybe that's just my eyes. It looks like this side sticks out a fair bit further. Again, you can't even feel it on my cheeks, but on my neck, definitely more blade feel, but still. It's not really cut, it didn't really cut through it as efficiently as other razors I have. A few weepers. Yeah, hey guys, we're back. Got it cleaned out. He said some weepers there. Yeah, overall it's, yeah, this is my rougher side. Still a fair bit of stubble, but like I said, we use a closed comb on that side. Bit on this side from the Piccolo open comb. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the PAA Dry Dock alum block and just get a feel for how that is. It feels like there's irritation on my face. Yeah, there's a fair bit of burn. Yeah, there's a fair bit of burn from that. And I mean, I'm someone who, you know, has the R41 and the Ascension and, you know, some other more aggressive razors that don't feel like this, so. Anyway, I don't like to shit talk anything, but I really appreciate Johnny sending this to me. My thoughts and opinions. It's got a nice weight to it. Like I said, I'm not sure if the blade exposure is even on this particular one. I really appreciate you sending it to me, Johnny. And thank you very much. And I think I might be piffing this to someone if they're interested in it. Like I said, this one I bought off my buddy Dallas Sutherland in Toronto a few years ago. And like I said, just the finish was wearing off it, so it's no big deal. They're not really expensive razors, made in Italy. This one, like I said, very mild. Like I said, almost no blade feel. But anyway, we're going to rinse this off and then we're going to apply the balm. Although in fairness, there is a fair bit of stubble in the sink. Like I said, I had about a week's worth of growth to come off. This is from Linda Jane's Purely Skinful. This is her smooth operator, the matching balm. And I'll give you a quick on it. Rich espresso coffee beans with a shot of fine aged bourbon whiskey, heavy cream, and warm vanilla. So just an amazing scent. So yeah, that's going to wrap this one up. I love Purely Skinful products. I have several of her products. That's her Ruby there. I may have used that in a video, I don't remember. Those particular Fatip razors, again, are not my favorites. I don't know if I'd ever really use them again. Really appreciate being given the Piccolo, but again, I didn't find it really effective for my beard growth, and I don't have coarse beard growth. So I may pitch that to someone else and see what they think of it. Of course, we went with the PAA Alum Block Dry Dock, Richard Sea Otter Green Sea Monster. I believe that's what this one has been called. And something else to let you guys know too is I've started a new segment on this channel called Big Rig Ramblings. Ramblings from the Road. I've done a promo of it just a few days ago. So please stop by, check that out. That'll be a new segment I'm going to try and do weekly from the road. Quick, short, limited edits, and just a very quick upload. So anyway, please check that out. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think of the new shirt. I mean, this is something you guys might be interested in having by any chance. So anyway, we gotta get going. So wait, your comments, your suggestions, good, bad, indifferent, please leave them down below. Your subscriptions are always appreciated, and pass the word along to your friends if this is something you think you'd like, you think your friends might be interested in. Hit the notifications button, and yeah, we gotta get it going. So we'll see you again in a few days. You guys take care.